Yeah. Yeah. I'll see you. I haven't seen him for a while. I think he's okay though. Yeah.
Well guys, another early morning at Haulover Beach Inlet. I hope you liked the video. I really enjoy watching the Sunseeker. It was a really nice exit at the inlet, early morning, beautiful light. So I hope you also liked the video, and I also want to remind you to please leave a comment below, as I've said in the videos before, and I'll be posting more videos constantly. So if you like yachts, boats and powerboats and you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care.